lot of really nice things about my study program, but two things that stood out to me was the flexibility and the variation in teaching methods. I come from a computer science and electronics background, and when I was looking for my master's program, I wanted something that would enrich my electronics skills along with computer science concepts like data analytics and machine learning, and Aalto provided me with that flexibility in the study program. And the second thing is that electronics is a very vast domain. So each topic would require a different method of teaching so that we understand perfectly. And I think Aalto has implemented this method quite effectively. My most interesting course in Aalto was IC Project. So in this course, each students get assigned to a particular research group in the school based on our topics of interest. And we get to work in the research side of Aalto and get to try our hand out in the research in academia and see if it fits us well. I think Aalto is very well equipped with labs and workshops. My personal favorite place to bring my projects to life is Design Factory, which is a multifaceted workshop. We have electronic labs and mechanical labs and other lab zones in the area, and it's all in one place. So you also can learn new skills like laser cutting and 3D printing and so on. I work as a performance testing trainee at Vaisala, where I test sensors and see what could make them better. Since I work in the R&D department, it is important for us to be skilled in various domains. And I think my study program provides me with that because I would be able to specialize in different domains and include my skills during my work.
All the majors represented in the program are very high technology fields. We have space technology, integrated circuits, wireless technology, nanotechnology, which are key enabling technologies in the modern world. And we also focus on experimental activities, so it is not only lecture courses in teaching. All these modern technologies are developing rapidly and need a lot of new workforce. Due to political reasons, especially semiconductor industry is ramping up production in Europe. Most of the first jobs are in design and manufacturing of modern devices, but also people go into research. We have about 30% of our people who are studying also a doctoral degree.
I've always been interested in space and astronomy. And when I was seeking to universities, I was thinking, should I go for physics or engineering? Then I found out about this program and this major that combines the two. And in general, engineers have a bit more options where to work. So I guess that's also a reason why I chose this over physics. I'm waiting for the radio astronomy course, where we are choosing our own active galaxies, and then we're spending a whole night in Metsähovi Radio Observatory observing those active galaxies. These days it's a lot cheaper to send satellites to orbit, so there are many possibilities for new companies and new startups to get into this field. Also the development of antennas and chips, since they're getting smaller, they are going into all sorts of devices like fridges and all sorts of home appliances. So these antenna engineers and microelectronics engineers have come up with everything smaller and everything more efficient, so we can put these into many devices.
My experience has been really good. The major has been interesting and challenging in a good way. I've learned the theory behind the antenna design, and I've also gotten to design and manufacture the antennas ourselves. So we have learned a lot about building and measurement and the technical design. I hope to contribute to designs that help reliable connectivity around the world in the future. The best thing about my study program is that the curriculum is well structured, and the school also prepares us well for the working life and gives us essential project management skills. And also I like that our field allows for specialization, in my case in microwave engineering.